Okay, let's talk about images. First of all, this is me, Arjan Rijsdijk from the Netherlands. I'm a senior Power Platform consultant at Pauwbouwer, currently working at a project at Schiphol, Amsterdam, the airport, where I'm here at the moment. So I'm seeing all kinds of planes coming by from my side window here. Let's talk about images in Power Apps. We all build Canvas apps, right? And we all need images in Canvas apps. And we have different ways to add images, like images from static images, upload them to the Canvas apps directly from SharePoint, Dataverse, maybe Azure Blob Storage, external URLs, name it, and you can add it to the Canvas apps, right? And the last one, the SVG, you can upload it or you can use it as code. But we have some challenges with images because you always have to look out for performance, the size of images, the network requests that are needed to get the picture in, maybe a file download or external dependencies we're facing. So what I like to do is I always try to use SVG images because they're lightweighted, they're vector-based. You don't need to have multiple resolutions in your Canvas app just to give it a clear view of the image. It's scalable and it's flexible. So what we can do with the SVG images, I like to use them for my UI elements, icons, or some additional styling. My last app, I think there was a big background with based on SVG for my app, and I like to use it like logos and things that I use more often in headers or footers or things like that. But we can upload SVG. We can upload SVG as a static image just to your Canvas app, like I'm showing here in the screenshot. But we can also use the SVG images as code, right? So this is the window, the Microsoft logo as a SVG image, easy to use and easy to add. But there's always one thing, because when I use the SVG code, I'm always forgetting the syntaxes and I'm trying to find it somewhere or have it in a notepad, something. We can build a function for it, use defined function. But it's always difficult for me to remember the exact code, right? So, and there was a moment I was thinking, well, that can be done easier, I think. So what I did, I've created a browser extension just to add SVG directly from the extension. So let me give you a short demo. I have the extension here. What I can do is choose the SVG file here. Let's select the Microsoft SVG image. And what you see here is it's like the converted SVG as code. So I can copy the code and I can add a image. And directly put the code in it. So I have the whole code based on the image protocol, like the encoder URL and the data image SVG in it directly. And when I built this, I was thinking, well, it could be done easier because I want to have the YAML snippet directly available. So I'm selecting it again, and now I'm copying the YAML file. So when I paste it here, it's directly set as an image in my Canvas app. There are two ways to use it. You can upload directly the SVG image, or you can paste the SVG code here. So, well, I like to use Bootstrap icons as example. Let me choose the alarm. And what we have here is like, this is the SVG code for the alarm. Let's copy it. Go to my extension. And I can also paste the SVG code. I see a preview of it, and then I can copy the code, or I can copy the YAML here and paste it directly into my Canvas app. Same thing with other icons, Lucid icons or Bootstrap icons. They all have the possibility to download or just Now show me one time. Let's go here. And again, oh, there it is. So now I have a fast way of adding SVG images based on a browser extension in this case. Let's go back to my presentation. So I made it a lot easier to copy the SVG and directly into an image control, right? There's an extension for Microsoft Edge and there's an extension for Google Chrome. So you can use it both for Firefox Safari. I'm still working on that, but it's more difficult than the Chromium extensions. Well, and that was it. So thank you for joining my demo. If you have any questions, just reach out.